Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best jar opener is probably one of the most underrated kitchen gadgets. It might seem insignificant, but trust me, once you experience the effortless twist of opening even the most stubborn jars, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. This simple tool can save you frustration, potential injuries from straining, and even the embarrassment of asking for help when a jar proves too difficult to open. We're diving into the world of jar openers today to find the absolute best one for your kitchen. Number 5. 5-in-1 Jar Opener Kit. This amazing kitchen gadget makes opening jars and bottles effortless. Its ergonomic design and non-slip grip are perfect for everyone, regardless of age or ability. It's designed for easy handling and provides a secure grip, preventing slips even when wet. This makes it ideal for those with weak hands or arthritis. It opens various bottle caps, jar lids, and even bean cans. It's incredibly durable and versatile, a true kitchen essential. Just place it on the lid, turn, and open. It's so easy to use and eliminates the risk of using a knife, keeping your hands safe. This multifunctional tool includes a heavy-duty opener for extra grip and leverage. It's a bottle opener, jar opener, and so much more, all in one convenient tool. This lightweight opener grips perfectly, making opening jars and bottles a breeze. It replaces several bulky tools, saving you space and effort. What we like? It features an ergonomic design and non-slip handle, making it comfortable and safe for everyone. Its versatility shines with various attachments to open different containers. If you need a multifunctional and user-friendly opener, this is the one for you. What people say? It opens jars, bottles, pull tabs, you name it, with barely any effort. The silicone handle has a great grip, and the different opener sizes make it super versatile. It significantly increases her torque strength and leverage, eliminating the need for precise finger control. The versatility is excellent. She can use it effortlessly for everything from large jars to soda bottles. These feel like a sturdy product and it has its own grip, so you don't even need to squeeze it hard to use it. Number 4. Easy Off Jar Opener. Opening jars is now a breeze. It's designed for a one-handed operation, effortlessly tackling even the most stubborn lids, regardless of whether they're factory sealed or just plain stuck. This is the perfect gift for seniors or anyone with weak hands or arthritis. It simplifies a daily task, making life easier and more independent. It's designed to be mounted under your cabinet, keeping your kitchen tidy and clutter-free. It comes with adhesive and screws for a secure and stable installation. The durable, non-slip grip ensures a secure hold on any jar lid. You'll need less strength, and it provides more control and confidence. This handy jar opener is a must-have for anyone, from seniors and kids to those with carpal tunnel or other disabilities. It's a simple tool that makes a big difference. What we like? This jar opener is designed for effortless one-handed operation, perfect for those with limited mobility. It's a thoughtful gift for seniors or people with arthritis. If you are looking for a convenient and space-saving solution, this under-cabinet opener is ideal. What people say? Easy to install and works great for small and large jars. Was able to get lids off before but would have to get a small rubber mat to keep the jar from moving. Have since removed the mat from the kitchen. This jar opener is a breeze. I bought this as a gift for my grandmother with arthritis. She uses it often and says it works like a charm for her. The design is good, you can install it anywhere it'll fit. Makes the job of opening tight, screw-on lids easy to open. Well made. It's always handy but it's never in the way. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Jar Opener. This innovative jar opener makes opening even the toughest jars a breeze. Its clever design and comfortable grip help you effortlessly access your favorite preserves and pantry staples. The base pad keeps your jar securely in place, reducing the force needed to open it. No more struggling with slippery jars. It doesn't matter how big or small the jar is, this opener can handle them all. Say goodbye to those frustratingly unopenable jars. The sharp, stainless steel teeth provide a firm grip on any jar lid, ensuring a smooth and easy opening every time. No more slipping or struggling. The contoured, non-slip handle gives you excellent leverage and control, making opening jars easier on your hands and wrists. It's designed for comfort and ease of use. It's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, while the base pad is best cleaned by hand. Maintaining hygiene is simple and convenient. What we like. Its base keeps jars steady, reducing the force needed to open even the tightest lids. The strong grip and durable construction ensure it can handle any jar size. If you prioritize stability and a secure grip, this is your best bet. Number 2. Otstar 6-in-1 Jar Opener. This innovative opener makes opening jars and bottles effortless. Its multiple sizes and ergonomic design are perfect for anyone who struggles with grip strength. It features 8 different sized openings to accommodate a wide variety of lids, from small spice jars to large pickle jars. The hooks on top help open even the most stubborn lids. The long handle provides excellent leverage, while the rubber lining ensures a secure grip. Open jars smoothly and without frustration. Simply choose the right sized opening and apply gentle pressure. It's made of durable, food-safe materials and is easy to clean. This handy kitchen gadget is a thoughtful gift for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone with limited hand strength. Give the gift of independence. It's compact enough for easy storage in a drawer or can be hung for quick access. Always have it ready when you need it. What we like. This 6-in-1 opener tackles various jar and bottle sizes with multiple openings and hooks. The long handle and rubber lining provide excellent grip and leverage. If you need a versatile and easy-to-store solution, this is a great choice. What people say. The jar opener arrived as described and looks exactly like the picture. I have tested this on various jars and each time it is very easy to use, does not require much pressure or strength to twist the lid off, unlike a grippy mat. A stuck lid may take a few seconds to open with this tool. Makes opening jars and other screw-on lids a breeze. The design lets me get a great grip on both the lid I want to remove and the tool itself. Multiple size notches make it very functional for multiple applications. It's got enough stretch to it that installing it or attaching it to a lid is very easy without sacrificing grip. The Otstar jar opener make the process so much easier, although as others have noted the jar twist part of the tool is really limited to smaller jars. But, where this product shines are the hooks on the top edge of the tool. Those make it so much easier to open jars by releasing the air pressure when used on the top part of lids. Number 1. Otstar Jar and Bottle Opener Set. This amazing opener makes opening jars and bottles effortless. It's perfect for anyone who struggles with tight lids. It features 8 different sized openings to fit various lids, plus a hook for larger lids and ring pulls. Say goodbye to struggling with stubborn containers. Its lever action provides extra strength, making even the toughest jars easy to open. The rubber grip ensures a secure hold on slippery surfaces. This handy tool opens various bottles, from soda to wine, with ease. It even has a built-in corkscrew. The included silicone pad provides extra grip for those extra stubborn jars. It's also great as a hot pad or trivet. Give the gift of effortless opening. It's ideal for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone who appreciates a helping hand in the kitchen. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us for a satisfactory solution. Enjoy effortless opening. What we like. This set includes a 6-in-1 jar opener, a 5-in-1 bottle opener, and a silicone gripper pad, offering maximum versatility. The latest design ensures effortless opening of various containers. If you want a comprehensive solution for all your opening needs, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. Carpal tunnel and arthritis makes it extremely hard for me to open bottles, jars and cans. This set is wonderful. I've used it for kitchen items and even in the laundry room. I was able to use it to open oven cleaner that has the lid that has to be squeezed in order to open. The set is perfect for people with hand pain or dexterity issues. A great deal and well-designed products, or whole family uses it. This is the perfect tool for opening those hard-to-open items. Easy to use and store in the slim package. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.